Hi everyone, it's First Chapter Friday again, so get excited. Today's book is Out of My Mind by Sharon Draper, which I'm excited about. We've done this book for Book Trailer Tuesday before, but I thought you'd also like to hear the first chapter. So I'm going to read the back again and then we'll get to the first chapter. 11-year-old Melody has a photographic memory. Her head is like a video camera that is always recording, always. And there's no delete button. She's the smartest kid in her whole school, but no one knows it. Most people, her teachers and doctors included, don't think she's capable of learning, and up until recently, her school days consisted of listening to the same preschool level alphabet lessons again and again and again. If only she could speak up. If only she could tell people what she thinks and knows, but she can't. And there's more, but I don't want to give it away. Okay, Chapter 1. Words. I'm surrounded by thousands of words, maybe millions. Cathedral, mayonnaise, pomegranate, Mississippi, Neapolitan, hippopotamus. Silky, terrifying, iridescent. Tickle, sneeze, wish, worry. Words have always swirled around me like snowflakes, each one delicate and different, each one melting untouched in my hands. Deep within me, words pile up in huge drifts. Mountains of phrases and sentences and connected ideas, clever expressions, jokes, love songs. From the time I was really little, maybe just a few months old, words were like sweet liquid gifts, and I drank them like lemonade. I could almost taste them. They made my jumbled thoughts and feelings have substance. My parents have always blanketed me with conversation. They chattered and babbled. They verbalized and vocalized. My father sang to me. My mother whispered her strength into my ear. Every word my parents spoke to me or about me, I absorbed and kept and remembered. All of them. I have no idea how I entangled the complicated process of words and thought, but it happened quickly and naturally. By the time I was 2, all my memories had words, and all my words had meanings. But only in my head. I have never spoken one single word. I am almost 11 years old. Could you imagine? So again, if you want to know what happens to Melody here, again, Out of My Mind by Sharon Draper. Happy reading, everyone!